Incorporate artificial intelligence into your marketing and sales efforts to revolutionize how you connect with customers. Here are 5 tips on how AI will boost your marketing and sales. AI analyzes vast amounts of customer data to unveil insights into consumer behavior and preferences. Tools like Google Analytics employ AI to track website user interactions, helping businesses refine their strategies to better cater to consumer needs. AI-powered tools take over repetitive tasks, allowing marketing and sales teams to focus on strategic and creative projects. From orchestrating email campaigns and social media posts to managing customer inquiries, AI streamlines these operations. Personalization is key to enhancing marketing and sales effectiveness. AI technologies segment audiences more accurately and tailor messages to individual preferences with precision. AI's predictive capabilities empower companies to anticipate future consumer behavior and market trends. This foresight enables proactive adjustments in marketing and sales strategies, keeping companies ahead and responsive to customer needs. AI assists in various content marketing aspects, from proposing relevant topics and generating drafts to optimizing content for search engines. Use the AI-powered simpleshow video maker to create animated product videos or webinar invitations and make content marketing more efficient. To begin, pinpoint the areas where AI can make the most significant impact, like data analysis, content creation, or customer engagement. Then, gradually expand its use as you grow more comfortable and familiar with the capabilities. Was this helpful? Tap or click the subscribe button for more videos like this, or check out simpleshow.com for more resources. Feel free to leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. We love hearing from you.